Today, we're going to draw the super cute Melody together. Step 1. Let's begin by drawing a big oval for my Melody's face. Now add 2 large oval eyes, a tiny oval nose, and a little smiling mouth.
Help me! Help me!
Did you know? My Melody first appeared in 1975 and has been one of Sanrio's most loved characters for many years.
Help me! Help me!
Aww, she's already looking so cute. Step 2. Now let's draw a beautiful bow above her head. Make 2 rounded loops with a little circle in the middle.
Help me! Help me!
Perfect! Every cute outfit is even cuter with a pretty bow. Step 3. Now it's time to draw my Melody's famous hood. Start with 1 tall bunny ear, then draw the second floppy ear. Connect everything together to make the hood. If you're having fun drawing with me, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more easy drawing tutorials every week. Wow! Now everyone can tell it's my Melody. My Melody is known for being kind, honest, and always caring about her friends. She loves baking cookies with her grandmother. Step 4. Now trace around the outside with a thicker line. Look how neat and bold your drawing looks. A strong outline makes your artwork stand out and gets it ready for coloring. Step 5. Now it's time for the most exciting part. Color your My Melody. Use pink for her hood, white for her face, blue for the bow, and yellow for her tiny nose. Or use your favorite colors instead. Fantastic job! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the notification bell so you never miss another fun drawing lesson. Thanks for watching. See you in the next drawing adventure. Bye-bye!